Hey guys. So as you can see, Mr. Matt's at home again. Okay, so we're gonna do, this week is all about the zoo. Okay, so we're gonna talk about zoo animals and lots of other fun stuff. But as we always do, we're gonna start off with our favorite song, okay? So make sure you're singing along with Mr. Matt, because I don't like to sing by myself. Alright. Okay, here we go, guys. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here.
A little bit louder.
Okay, louder. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here.
A little
Okay,
softer.
softer. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here.
Whisper.
Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Alright guys, thanks for singing along with me. Okay, so as we talked about, we're learning about zoo animals this week, okay? So the types of animals we're going to be learning about, okay, would be animals like zebras, okay, so they kind of look like horses with stripes, right? Hippos, okay, they live underwater a lot. And lions that spend most of their day sleeping, actually. Gorillas, okay, they're big, strong, they go, right? Okay, giraffes with the really long necks. Ostrich, which is a bird that really doesn't fly, but it runs really fast. Rhinos, okay, with the really big long horn on their nose. Monkeys that have tails and they're kind of mischievous. Okay, tigers with their stripes and try to camouflage themselves from things that they're trying to hunt. And our last one is elephants. Okay, so elephants, the biggest land animal, okay? So that's some of the stuff we're going to be talking about this week when we talk about all our stuff for the zoo, guys. Okay, so let's do our months of the year. Yeah, what do you say? Okay, so make sure you're singing along. So we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. Those are the months of the year. Okay? And our month for this week is April, and on the Friday, it'll be the first day of May. Okay? So those are our months. Okay? Next is our days of the week. So who's going to sing days of the week with me? Hopefully everybody. All right, here we go. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Okay, so this next week we have, the month is April, right? Like we talked about. Okay, we're going to go April 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th, and then Friday is May 1st. Okay, now who remembers what year it is this year? Yeah, you got it right. 2020. One of the craziest years you might ever have in your life. We'll see. Okay? But that is our month, our days of the week, okay, what week we are on,
And are you ready to do some counting with me? I hope you are, because I'm ready to count with you. So we're just doing a number review this week, okay? So there's all the numbers we're going to talk about. So we're going to actually count to 20 today, and then we'll blast off by counting down from 20. So, we're ready? Okay, here we go. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. That's a pretty high number right there, 20. So if you can count to that number or even higher, you are super duper smart. Okay, so now we're going to count down, but remember, on our countdown, after you blast off, make sure you're sitting back down to go do the rest of circle time with me, okay? All right, everybody get ready. Here we go. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Yeah, good job, guys. Okay, sit back down and get ready for the next part of circle time. So the next part of circle time, we're going to go over our alphabet, okay? Now, our alphabet, we know we have 26 letters from A to Z, but we're going to be talking about 5 different letters this week, guys. We have 5 letters of the week. Those letters are E, right? Now, what does E say? Eh. E for elbow. Eh. Now, what are some other words that start with the letter E? Oh, yeah? You thought of elephant, too? I thought of elephant. I thought of electric. Okay, some different words like that, but maybe you have other ones. Egg. So there's lots of different words that start with the letter E. The next letter we're going to be talking about is the letter G. Now, what does G say? Yeah, g. G for gallop. G. Now, what are some words that start with the letter G? Giraffe, go, green. Yeah, you guys came up with other ones? Good. You guys are super smart. All right, our next letter of the week is the letter K. What does K say? That's right, K says k. K for kick. K. Now, words that start with the letter K. K. King. Yeah, kangaroo. Good ones. Yeah, lots of them. Okay, next one is the letter L. What does L say? Yep. Oh, L for love. Oh. What are some other words that start with the letter L? Let's think. Lion, leap, lick. All good ones. You're right. Okay, and our last letter of the week is the letter Z. Okay, what does Z say? Z. Z for zigzag. Z. Now, what are some words that start with the letter Z? Zebra, zipper. Yeah, you guys came up with other ones? Good job. You guys are so smart. All right, we got to practice how we write our letters now. Okay, so we have our first letter, our letter E. Okay, so we have our uppercase E, starts at the top blue, goes to the bottom blue, and then we draw lines across the top blue, middle pink, and the bottom blue. Now, with Mr. Matt's example, because sometimes teachers make mistakes just like little kids make mistakes, I messed up on my lowercase e, okay? So, you actually go across just below the pink line, okay? Then you come and circle back up to the pink, all the way back down to lowercase blue, and then you end a little bit short of where you first started, okay? With your uppercase G, you're going to start just below the blue line, you're going to circle back around to the top blue, circle to the bottom blue, come back up to the middle pink dotted line, and then go across, okay? Our lowercase g, it's going to be at the pink line, okay, our dotted line. So you're going to circle around, come back down to the blue, come back up in a line to the pink polka dot, or to the dotted line again, come down below the blue, and then curve back up, okay? The letter K, you start at the top blue, go down to the bottom blue, then you start again at the top blue, and you come back into your line at the dotted line, and then you go hi-ya and kick back out to the bottom blue. The lowercase k is kind of the same, but it's not going to be as big. So you're going to start at the top blue, come down, and then you'll start your next line at the dotted line where the pink line is, and you're going to come back to there, and then hi-ya, kick back out to the bottom blue. With our uppercase L, you start at the top blue, go all the way down to the bottom blue, and then you put a foot on it. So you draw a little line across. Lowercase l, probably the easiest letter to write. It starts at the top blue and goes all the way down to the bottom blue, and then you're done. Z's, they zigzag. So we start at the top blue and go across, and then we come back across the Z to the bottom blue, and then draw a foot on it. The lowercase z is kind of like the uppercase z, but smaller. So on the dotted line, you're going to go across, diagonal line back down to the bottom blue, and then come back across. All right, our color of the week. Our color of the week is what color? Can you tell? You're right, orange. Now, orange is a primary or a secondary color, guys. Did you say secondary? You're right. So if it's a secondary color, it means you need to mix two primary colors to make it. What two primary colors do I mix to make orange? Yep, red and yellow. So I mix red and yellow, I get orange. Now what is orange in Spanish? Who remembers? Anaranjado, good job. So what are some things you can think of that are orange? Yeah, Mr. Matt came up with a carrot, an orange that you eat, fire, and I thought of a basketball. So maybe you can go around your house and you can find other things that are orange on your own, okay? Now we go over our shapes. Our shapes, we're going to go over all of them today. So we're going to go over that this is a circle, and it has one line that goes round and round and never stops. We have our oval, which is basically what? A stretched out circle. Then we have our triangle that has how many sides? That's right, a triangle has 3 sides. We have a star, pointy, right? Has different points. We have a rectangle that, if you remember from last week, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. We have our square. Our square has 4 equal sides, that's right. We have a crescent. Now, what does a crescent remind you of? Yeah, kind of like a moon shape, or maybe a cookie that someone took a bite out of. We also have pentagon. A pentagon has how many sides, guys? That's right, it has 5. It kind of looks like a house. Then we have a hexagon. And a hexagon has how many sides? That's right, 6 sides on a hexagon. Okay, then our last shape that we're going to go over is our octagon. And an octagon has, that's right, 8 sides. Like an octopus has 8 legs, an octagon has 8 sides. So guys, I am super duper excited to do lots of fun activities this week that have to do with zoo animals and all other kinds of fun stuff we're going to go over this week. So I hope you guys have a fantastically awesome week doing activities with us. We're going to have a ton of fun, and we will see you later.